An Aussie pilot had a surprising encounter on his night shift after hearing a sudden spurt of strange noises. David Phillips with the Royal Flying Doctor Service in Tasmania was filling out some paperwork in the pilot's room when he heard what sounded like bumps and scratches coming from the plane hangar. Speaking to Yahoo News Australia, David revealed he entered the building and briefly caught sight of the culprit, a curious brushtail possum dashing across the floor. He lost sight of the possum but eventually found the creature hiding under the foot pedals in the cockpit and lured it to the stairs with an apple. The RFDS's new friend was then ushered out the door at the rear of the plane and safely left the hangar.